Hi, welcome to Jasmine's Creative World. Today I'm going to show you how you can join yarn without having to sew in any ends. So let's get started. So one of the great things about this technique is when you're done, there is no ends to sew in and it's super easy. So you can use this if you're doing a yarn color change or if you are at the end of one skein and want to continue in the same color. So to show you today, I am going to use two different colors. So I have this purple here, and then I'm also, going to use this bright red, okay, just to give you a little bit of a difference here. Line them up side by side like this, and you're going to take one of your strings and you're going to wrap it over the other color, and then you're going to do half of a knot. Okay. So now with your other color, you are going to put that underneath and do another half of a knot. And it's important that they are opposite, one over and one under, because with this next part, if it's not right, it will just slide off. So now all you have to do is just take both of your ends and just pull them together. And then all you have to do is just clip those ends as close as you can to the knot without cutting the knot. And then see, you can tug on it and you don't have to sew anything in. So let's do that one more time, but in slower motion. So that about wraps it up for this video. I just want to take a moment and say hello and thank you to all of the new subscribers. I'm super excited that you're here. And also please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button as well with the little notification bell so that you'll be notified of all of my new videos. So that's about it. I'll see you next time. Bye!